What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how I make these delicious corn on the cob using my air fryer. So guys, let's get started. So here I have 3 corn on the cob, or 3 ears of corn, whichever way you want to say it, and I clean them up and pick the ears off. Now I'm just gonna spray this down with some olive oil cooking spray. You could use melted butter if you like. I'm just going to give these a good spray. And now I'm going to stick them in the air fryer for 10 minutes on. I'm just going to bake these for 10 minutes at 400 degrees in the air fryer. And while that is being cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and whip up this delicious butter to go on top. So here I have some softened butter, not all the way melted. And to this I'm going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika, some parsley flakes, some black pepper, a little bit of tajin. Now this is optional. And a pinch of salt. Now guys, if you use salted butter, you could skip the salt. I'm just going to give this a good mix. I will leave everything that I use to make this awesome corn on the cob using my air fryer down in the description box, so feel free to check it out. I'm just going to mix well to combine. Now I'm going to set that aside and check back on my corn on the cobs. Now here they are. After 10 minutes, I'm just going to give them a flip over, and then I'm going to set it to broil for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what my corn be looking like. And they smell amazing at this point, guys. Now I'm going to remove these and brush on that gorgeous, delicious butter we just made. Guys, let me know in the comment section what recipe you would like to see me make using the air fryer. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so, and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my uploads. Now guys, I'm just gonna brush this deliciousness onto my corn, and let me tell you guys, this tasted so good. All right, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. And as I said before, let me know in the comment section what recipe you want to see me make using the air fryer, guys. I don't know why I keep making those mistakes, but anywho, we are all human, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.